Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to study subject English, chapter number 1, The Fun They Had. Chapter is from Beehive English book. So let us start the lesson. This chapter or the story is about future generation. Yes, it nearly talks about the year 2157 year, means nearly about 130 years forward from today if we calculate. So it talks about the future generation, okay, and mainly over here it talks about the teaching style of future generation. How will be the future schools, the teachers and all the education system, okay. So let us begin. Story is about a girl whose name is Margie. She is 11 years old, and another person is here, Tommy. He is 13 years old, and Mrs. Jones is their mother. Margie and Tommy are brother and sisters. Margie, one day she wrote in her diary. Okay, she was writing in her diary, and when she was writing on this day. Okay, again I am saying that this chapter we are studying for future. Okay, so understand it as she is writing in the future on this day. Okay, so they are on that after 130 years forward they are compared to us. So she is writing in her diary about schools and teaching system. So at that time, her brother Tommy came and he told to Margie that I have found one textbook, okay, and I am reading something from that. So when Margie saw that, it was unbelievable for her to see a textbook, because if story talks about this year in future, there are no textbook to study, okay. So in the story they are talking with each other, and the picture is shown over here as Margie is sitting in her study class. As we student teach and study in a classroom, all of us gather in a classroom and study. But in the future generation, in the lesson it is shown that she is studying individually in her one classroom. She is single at her home only, and she is sitting in front of the computer screen. All the computer hardware are there, and computer is teaching to her as a part of robotics. So it talks about an era of robots. They work, okay. So there are no teachers, there is no classroom, there is no building, okay. No students gather and sit and talk and study and share their tiffin box like this, okay. So they talk about the future generation. She was living such kind of life. Robots were teaching them. They were sitting behind the computer. Computer were asking question. They have to answer on that very time, and then they have to complete the homework and submit in the given slot. In this way, they were studying in their house only. Okay, we are talking about the future generation. So when Tommy told Margie that before 100 years, means Margie's grandfather and his grandfather, it is given in the story. Means Margie's grandfather and his grandfather, when they were living, they were going to school, they were having textbook, notebook, okay. One common building was there, so all the students were gathering over there. Different classroom was there, playground was there. All of them were playing in the ground. During recess, they were sitting together to eat food, and they at a class they were sitting along with their friends. One teacher was teaching, and all the students were sitting and taking the lessons. All were sitting together at a time. And then also they were having the benefit of sharing their homework, asking question in this way. But if we talk about her, she was alone. to sit behind the in front of the computer, sit and take the lessons and understand it. So in this way, Tommy told Margie all the things previously before 100 years. Okay, it is given there before 100 years or century. It is given in the lesson. Okay, they are staying in this year and they are talking before 100 years. Okay, means the present era. They are talking. Schools are in this way. Building is there all this way. All the structure is there to study. So after seeing all these things, Margie got bored. She was not interested in sitting in front of the computer. Computer will ask the similar time. Computer will ask the questions. And no one is there. Only one person sitting in front of the computer, and robot is teaching to them. So after hearing all these things, okay, about today's era, she got interest to go to school and study with the friends, exchanging the homeworks, talking with them. In this way, finally, she was thinking at the end of the story that the fun they had. Okay, she was thinking, and the name is given to the chapter. She was thinking what kind of fun they were having, studying with together, playing games, eating together, and sharing their homeworks and so on. So, in this way, the author has provided us the information, or he has predicted the future generation, the future education system. He has shown us in near future, after around 100 years, there will be no teacher as human being. Robots will be there. He might be thinking. Then all the teaching method will be on the computer. No one will go to school. Everybody will sit in their particular home. They will sit before the computer, taking their lessons, writing and submitting the homework. So in this way, in this story, the writer has explained the teaching system of the future generation. I hope you all understand the lesson. Thank you so much.